Hi everybody, I just finished Matt's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, and I only have amazing things to say about it. There are three things that I loved. And so the first thing is I absolutely love how value-packed yet concise all of the material is. He breaks it down into modules, which are broken down into lessons, and those lessons are not very long, but they're still crazy packed with information and amazing value. So number two, what I loved is before I bought the course, I was really debating between Matt's Tube Mastery and Monetization and another course. But what really pushed me over the edge to buying Matt's course was the customer service and his support. He genuinely wants to help his students and wants to see them succeed. And before buying his course, I sent him a DM on Instagram and I was just like, hey, I asked him a few questions about it. And he got back to me within like 10 minutes. And he gave me a really helpful response. He was so happy to help. And after buying the course, it was the exact same. When you're in the Facebook group, you ask a question, most likely he'll answer it. If not, somebody else will. Like I have never asked a question or put something in the group and worried about if anyone would see it or if it would get answered, because he goes on to the group every single day and answers most of the questions, and it's great. And so the third thing that I loved is Matt is like 18 or 19 years old. He's the same age as me. And seeing where he is compared to where I am right now, it's a huge difference, but he is so inspiring and encouraging. And like every time he's teaching you something, you're just, or at least me personally, I was thinking like, oh my gosh, I could be where he is. And so that's really inspiring. So yeah, I highly recommend this course. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to make money online. And yeah.